Here we are again, and it's another combination padlock video. So I've got this amtech combination lock. There appears to be quite a few others out there, similar to a square. I forget the model number, but they can still be decoded using these. So we're just going to rotate till we find a flat spot. It's not a very good quality lock, this. A lot of the times the wheels will move when you're adjusting another one, so you've got to remember where they were. So 3, 2, I'm moving that one, and that one's moving by itself. So there we go. On that. So we have 3, 2, 8. We'll have to remember those. And another 8. Let's line them up. Obviously that's not going to open the lock. We're just going to rotate one at a time. Like I say, it's a fairly cheap lock, this. Let's get the 6s in, if they will. A 1 and a 0. There we go. Nice and easy. Pity about the cheap lock and cheap mechanism. Anyway, nice quick video for today. Thank you very much.